Haniah, are you swinging? Haniah really likes her swing. You like that, don't you, baby? Yes, I do. It's 8:30 in the morning. She's been up for a bottle with Daddy before he went to work. And she's wide awake. Say hello, everybody. Hello. She really likes to swing. Haniah just had a bath. And she's all warm in her fuzzy blanket from Grandma Karen. Her Valentine blanket's got hearts on it. Nice and warm, Haniah. Does that feel good, baby? Yeah, she likes her bath. Yeah, it feels good, doesn't it? Nice fuzzy blanket. All warm and cozy and safe and happy. Sweet baby girl. You want that back? There you go.